Welcome guys, today I am with the Marshall Acton II and I'm going to show you how you can pair this speaker with your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to power on the speaker by using this button. After that you have to switch from auxiliary cable to the Bluetooth by tapping once. As you can see, that's how you can make. Very simple. And then we have to enter the pairing mode. So click and hold this button until this Bluetooth button, this Bluetooth indicator, start blinking. There it is. Another step, open Bluetooth on your Android phone. Click to pair new device. Select Acton II from available devices. Click pair. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's how you can make it. Connect this speaker with your Android device. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.